I'm gonna activate my noise button and my hazard light.
Okay.
I'm gonna approach 15 to 50 feet. I'm gonna proceed to stop the bar, move, apply the emergency brake, open my window, and shift my gear to neutral position, and slightly open the door, look to the right, look to the left. Once everything is clear, and approach to close the door, move my gear from the neutral to the lower position, release the parking brake, and approach to cross. Look into the mirror to the right, look into the left, and cross the railroad safely. Once I cross the cross, I turn off my hazard